Central service to London King's Cross, you will need to wait for the service. Your tickets will not be valid on LER services. If you intend to board LER service, you will need to purchase a new ticket.
The train at platform 10 is at 17:08.
Hello, and welcome on board this LNER Azuma to London King's Cross.